from ChatGPT are only as good as the prompt that you put in. And sometimes it's difficult to know what is the perfect prompt for your situation. Luckily, there is a plugin that can help you. Let's go here to plugins, and we're going to use Prompt Perfect. So here we had the Prompt Perfect plugin enabled, and I asked, use the Perfect Prompt plugin to rephrase the following prompt. Act as Warren Buffett and give me investing advice in a dialogue where you respond to my questions as Warren Buffett would. And here it goes. Imagine that you are Warren Buffett and provide me with the investment advice through a conversation where you would respond to my inquiries in the manner that Warren Buffett would. Please be as precise and detailed as possible in your response. That's really interesting because this is more robust than my initial prompt. So Prompt Perfect is really going in and helping reshape my question and rephrase it in a way that's more digestible for ChatGPT. Here we asked, give me a workout routine for the week with each exercise timed and explained. And here it says, can you provide a detailed workout plan for the week, including specific exercises with explanations and the recommended duration for each? This is not how I would have worded this, so this is good to know that this wording is a little bit easier for ChatGPT to understand. Here we have, write a funny way to ask my boss for more time off. And so the prompt is, can you come up with a humorous approach that I can use to request additional time off from my supervisor? We notice that these first two examples, I said, use the Perfect Prompt plugin to rephrase the following prompt. When you say use the perfect prompt, even though it's actually Prompt Perfect, it understood me. When you use the Perfect Prompt plugin, ChatGPT is already pretty smart and it will totally understand to use the plugin when you say this. But you can also just do these brackets and say perfect and then write something, and it will understand that that means you wanted to use the plugin as well. Prompt Perfect is really like an assistant prompt engineer at your side, ready to help you rephrase and get the perfect prompt for whatever your use case is.